16th Finance Commission. Who gets India's money and why it matters to you? If your road is broken, your city floods, and power cuts ruin your exams, don't blame fate. Blame or thank the Finance Commission. This one report decides whether your city develops or just survives. Hello, everyone. Today we are breaking down the 16th Finance Commission. No boring economics, no heavy jargon. Whether you are a school student, a college student, a UPSC aspirant, or just a curious Indian, this video explain how India's money is divided. And trust me, this affects your life more than most laws. So let's start. What is Finance Commission? Let me simplify this Finance Commission. Think of India as a joint family. If you can think, then first understand the center. Center earns money and state have expenses. Cities and villages do the actual work. Now the big fight begins. Who gets how much? That refer is the Finance Commission. No Finance Commission equal to financial civil war. Means to say, Finance Commission work as devolution of money. Understand? First, let me discuss this topic, and after that, you will get PDF, PPT regarding this topic on my Telegram channel. On 1st February 2026, along with the budget, the government tabled the 16th Finance Commission report. Understand? The headline decision state will continue to get 41% of central taxes. Stability is boring but essential. Understand? The punchline is stability is boring but essential. Means to say this 41% will be given to states for vertical devolution. You should know what is vertical devolution. Vertical devolution, imagine the center collect. Let me explain with example. Let imagine that center collects 100 rupees. Then 41 rupees goes to states and 59 rupees to central government. Simple. Yes, powerful, extremely powerful. Because why states get 41 rupees? Because this 41 rupees funds to states hospitals, states schools, police salaries, and many more. 41% decide whether your state runs or begs. How much money you will get state to state, it depends on horizontal distribution. After vertical distribution, we will see what is horizontal distribution. But wait, the twist. The twist is cess or surcharges. I have already explained on my YouTube channel in economic playlist. You can get what is cess and what is surcharge. Understand? Fuel cess is not distributed to states. Educational cess is not distributed to state. Center keeps it all. All will kept by central government. States get 41% unless the central change the label. Understand? Central government or parliament should decide how much money to go states. Understand? Now we will discuss what is horizontal distribution. It's very important because it depends on state to states and state's economy. Which state gets how much? The 16th Finance Commission uses a formula like an entrance exam. First, income distance. This formula contains various topics. On the basis of these lines, Finance Commission decides which states get more than other state. Income distance. First, income distance helping poorer states. Poorer state get more money. Understand? Income distance means your state don't have enough income to distribute schemes or other purposes. Scholarship such as scholarship go to student who need them most. Equity before equality. Understand? Equity before equality. You should understand this line. You have equity population. Next formula is depend on formula population. More people, more money. Let assume that UP, Uttar Pradesh has more population. Then obviously UP has more responsibility. But wait, southern states control population early. Northern states grow faster. So the commission adds balance. Demographic performance. Rewarding discipline. States that control population early get rewarded. Good behavior is finally rewarded in money. Now, third was demographic performance. Understand? New entry. Now, fourth is new entry contribution to GDP. Big shift here. Now you can get what is contribution to GDP. States producing more wealth now get extra weight, but carefully using square root. Perform well, but don't dominate. Understand? If you increase your GDP, then you will get more money from Finance Commission. Next, fifth is forest and ecology. It's very important for sustainable development. Green pays green. Protect forest. Sacrifice industry. You get compensated. Understand? Tree now earn revenue. Tax effort. Sixth is tax effort. Now dropped. Earlier collect more tax, get rewarded. Now this incentive is gone. Simpler system but weaker discipline. Now local body grants money reaches you. Total outlay 7.91 lakh crore. This money fixes road, manage garbage, clean water, buildings drain, direct impact on your daily life. New urban grants, wastewater management, urbanization, premium from parliament to your street. Disaster management, other important disaster management. Floods, earthquake, cyclone, 1.56 lakh crore river reserved. Northeast and Himalayan state will get 90% support from center and other state 75%. More risk, more support. Fiscal discipline. No more hidden loans. Off budget borrowing is stop. Now, any government organization such as RBI, you can't take money on your liabilities. Means to say off budget borrowing is stop. No more hiding loans in PSUs. No more credit card economics. Power and subsidy reform. Push for discom reform. Distribution companies rationalize subsidy. No blanket freebies. Economically smart, politically risky. Hard decisions build a strong nation. Now, final takeaway 16th Finance Commission is not about numbers. It is about fairness, discipline, and future. It says help the poor, reward performance, protect nature, control debt. Budget changes every year. Finance commissions change the direction of India. So, if this video helped you understand India better, like, subscribe, and comment. And also, revision is the key of success. जितनी ज्यादा रिवीजन उतनी करीब सक्सेस एंड रिस्क विल रिड्यूस ऑटोमेटिकली. थैंक यू वेरी मच.